Is your network internet too slow or not working? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the correct 4G and 5G APN settings.
Go to Phone Settings, SIM and Network Settings. Choose your SIM card for manually APN Internet Settings. Access Point Name. Click on plus icon, add new APN Internet Settings. Tab on Name. Tab on APN. Tab on Username. Tab on Server. Authentication type, PAP/CHAP. A PN type. APN protocol, IPv4/IPv6. A PN roaming protocol, IPv4/IPv6. Now, save new APN settings after select this APN after restarting phone check your Android phone, internet. Speed thanks. Watching my video, like, share, and subscribe.